Hi, my name is Adam and I'm the owner of Beautiful Life Hypnotherapy. I'm also the author of this, the Anxiety Freedom Manual, a step-by-step guide using modern psychology, cognitive behavioural therapy and neuro-linguistic programming techniques. It's a step-by-step guide of how anxiety works, why anxiety happens, and, as I said, a step-by-step guide on how to become free of anxiety and be able to control anxiety throughout your life. This book is a must if you have any kind of anxiety or panic attacks. This book could potentially save you hundreds and hundreds of pounds on therapy. I've been a therapist for 14 years and seen thousands upon thousands of clients. All of my knowledge has gone into this manual to help you. So if you suffer anxiety or panic attacks, invest in this book. It could be the best thing you do today. I'll put a link in description. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll answer them for you.